guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here and he's trying to give me kisses while I'm trying to talk to you guys. Say hello, Burley. Say, oh, I am so cute and I just had a lot of water so my mouth is really wet, but that's okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping in. Today I have some new beauty finds that I just recently ordered from Sephora, but before I get to unboxing these things for you, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. That way you can follow along on my journey and see everything that I bring your way. I do a lot of these style, beauty, and fitness hauls, so if that's something that you're into, make sure to subscribe. So first up is an item that I have been wanting to try for quite some time, and it's these silk scrunchies. I've heard a lot about like the silk pillowcases and these silk scrunchies, and I finally broke down and I'd ordered them. I will say I love them. I usually, in order to feel like I have a secure ponytail, I usually need to wrap a band around my hair at least 3 times. So this, I will say, holds my hair back. So like in the morning, if I just want to pull my hair out of my face, I can just wrap it twice and it's not giving me like a killer headache, feeling like it's like, you know, pulled back there crazy tight. If I want to work out, all I do is wrap it around one more time. So that is a total of 3, but it holds it securely and it doesn't feel like it gives me a headache. I always have my hair up so often that I immediately, as soon as I put my hair up in my high pony, I get like a crazy bad headache. So I will say I really have enjoyed these little silk scrunchie bands because I feel like they actually do the trick. Also, I have noticed that they don't seem to leave as much of a little kink in my hair. Also, they slide out of your hair like that. Like there's no hussing or fussing, like trying to get it out and getting it knotted. And so this set comes with a blush, a nude, and a tan. So it's like nice little basics right here. Next up is a fun new blush shade that I actually used to use and then I just have kind of like drifted off from it, trying different ones, and I recently now have been brought back to it. And it is from NARS. It is the shade of Orgasm. Like, how flippin' pretty is this in this rose gold little container? You all know that's what sold me. But this is the jumbo size, and I got it again from Sephora, and I guess it's an exclusive for the VIBs. Look at how amazing this like peachy pink color is. It definitely has like a little bit of like a gold undertone to it. So like when you like turn, it's just, you can see it on my face right now because I am wearing this today. It just gives like that little flushed glow to your cheek and it is amazing. I love this one. It's in the shade Orgasm. Go get it. Okay, and now I have all of my new lip shades that I got. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I basically went a little crazy on some Charlotte Tilbury and I got me a lip liner, 2 lipsticks, and also a gloss. I never tried her out and I really wanted to because I heard some good things about these colors. Her lip liner is actually called a Lip Cheat and it's in the shade of Pink Venus. So as you can see, it's more on like that peachy coral tone. So it's just a nice like little crayon pencil. Basically, I have it around the bottom edge and then the top, and I just like on the corners of my mouth, I blend it because I like to make this fade into my actual lip color. Okay, so for today's look, I'm going to use my new lippy in the shade Kidman's Kiss. Look at how pretty. First of all, the casing, this packaging, oh, I love it. Rose gold, thank you. This is like a light petal peach color. It's very pink and it's just a perfect shade for spring. I just love this color. I think it's so, so pretty. To be honest, when I first applied it just as a swatch, I wasn't a fan, but then after I got like my lips lined and everything, I got like the rest of my face on. I absolutely love this. I just think it's a really nice shade for spring, especially because it's like just light and it's a nice neutral, but it still gives you a color to your lip. I got this new lip gloss in, and it is in the shade of Hall of Fame. So I'm not gonna lie, it definitely looks a little more like peachy orange color, but don't be scared by that because it doesn't come out like that. It's definitely more of a like sheer sheen, and it's really, really nice because glosses, I like love and hate, because I love how a look of a gloss lip is, because it just has like a nice little shine to your pucker, but some glosses are super sticky feeling, and I absolutely hate that cakey like goop feel on my lip. This one does not do that, so there you go, it's a win. So now that I have the lip gloss on, basically I just put this all over my lip. I love this. It comes out very translucent and sheer, so don't be scared of this color. You need it in your life. And don't think that I forgot to tell you about the second lip color. So the second one that I got is in Secret Salma, and this is more like what my go-to would be. I love me like a mauvey rose color. I wanted to try this out because I was watching my girl Lace and Lashes, and I just really liked the color on her, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. She also had these two products with it as well, and she combined these, but as I showed you today, I wanted to use the other lip shade with it because I just felt like being a little more peachy. But this one's really, really pretty as well, and it's definitely like a lighter pink mauve color. So it's still more in like the berry family, rather the Kidman's Kiss that I'm wearing right now is that peachy coral color. So there is the color swatched for you. It's just a really nice color, and I really enjoy these lipsticks, the little that I've been using them so far. I've been like wearing it every day since I got my package in. I just think it's a very soft and hydrating feel. Here is the Kidman's Kiss right next to it, just to show you the difference. So you can absolutely see like the different tones, but these are both super nice colors for spring especially. So I definitely would recommend putting these looks into your new beauty regime. And that wraps it up for my Sephora finds that I just recently got. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. That way you can follow me along this journey and see everything that I bring to you. If you have questions or you want to know anything, what videos do you want to see, anything you want to tell me, just leave those comments right there below. That's going to wrap it up for today, friends. So I will see you next time. Bye.